And what did we just see? Liverstool. Liverstool. Those wastemen from Merseyside. Liverstool. What's going on, fam? I thought you were going to challenge for the title this year. I thought Manchester United going to finish 6th or 7th this year. What's going on? You end up at 5th, barely. You're struggling for life, barely. What's going on, fam? What is going on? Is this the last of Liverpool challenging for the title? Of Liverpool supremacy? What's going on? Remember you were struggling with Chelsea for a while on 11th and 10th. What's going on? You man are dead, fam. Dead. Completely dead. You buy Nunes, you buy Gakpo, still dead. You bring back Diego Jota, still dead. Luis Diaz, still dead. Your side is shite. Your side is absolute shite. Complete and utter shite.